Rate of interest, balance of trade, public debt, rate of inflation, and political developments, these words refer to the most important factors that affect exchange prices. However, here in Syria, their effect has a major role in the current financial situation, in addition to the effects of new Forex market. Forex is a global decentralized marketplace with an almost $5 trillion worth daily trade. Individual investors invest in Forex via stock brokerage companies, which are unauthorized in Syria. In this regard, we met Dr. Abdulrahman Murray, Chief Commissioner of Syrian Commission of Financial Markets and Securities.
Forex is dealt with illegally in Syria, whether we admit it or not. There is no control over it to protect individual investors. I think the Syrian central bank should study the ability of authorizing it and running it under control.
Forex Syrian traders entered it with dollar. That's why they increased the demand on dollar in Syrian black market in order to invest in it. Syrian investors have inconsiderable skills to trade in Forex, and as a result, they could lose their capitals, which could affect Syrian economy and exchange rate.
Forex is not only a trade of currencies, but also in goods. I think individuals should be aware of that before investing in it. This is another reason to think of authorizing it.
So they contribute in affecting the economic situation in Syria by putting their capitals in Forex, instead of trading in real goods, which is the most effective factor in improving any country's economy and as a result the value of its currencies. Mr. Ahmed Sultan Abu Sa', Jordanian Forex dealer and expert, told us about the situation of the Syrian companies which work in this domain.
In Syria, regional companies have opened branches. These companies are not authorized by the Syrian government and don't submit to any financial control. This situation in a stock market could be considered very dangerous. It's advised not to trade in such environment at all.
Most Syrian Forex traders entered this market with a very small capital and inconsiderable skills regarding the demands of such market. By doing so, they increased the demand on dollar and Syrian black market to trade, and as a result, they contribute in raising exchange rate. Loreen Mohammed, MEC.